Be presenting to you now. This kitchen is a very small kitchen, but it has lots of features on it. So you can see right now we have a 24 inches microwave. Okay, same way we had sliders. So you can see right now we made a cutting board. Okay, at the bottom you can see you can take out the cutting board for cleaning. And then it has second drawer, and then at the bottom, another drawer for recycling and trash. And then to maximize the space, we made one more drawer on the kick plate. Okay, it's one more drawer. So this was a kitchen we didn't have really too much room. Same way we have over here an 18-inch dishwasher. It's an 18-inch dishwasher, and then a 24 inches sink, which has a drawer, a tilt drawer, and small cabinet. Now right here we can see the pantry room. The pantry area starts with 3 doors with glass, and then 2 big doors that has pull-outs, so you can put your spices. Anyway, this stuff, but it's working. And then at the bottom, the soft closing system, you have again, the kicked plates to be used as drawers. So this is a small kitchen that can be fitted in a very small space. It did have some lights under cabinet lighting and nice knife holding.